Calculating the nth proportional in a set of numbers. We already know that one of the forms of expressing a proportion is the following. Usually we limit to the first four terms, a, b, c and d in most situations. Sometimes one of these terms is missing, so we have to find it. We call the missing term the nth proportional of the number set given in the proportion. Thus, if a is missing, it is called the first proportional. When b is missing, we say it is the second proportional, and so on. Example: what is the fourth proportional of 2, 3, and 4? Solution: we have a equals 2, b equals 3, c equals 4, and d is missing. Thus, we have the following. Applying the cross product, we obtain the following. That is all for lesson 4.4.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 4.4.3, the geometric mean. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.